Today I'm gonna talk about the most controversial topic. What do you eat? Some people will be like, I'm strict non-vegetarian. Some people will be like, I'm a vegetarian, I care for animals, and you might be proud about being a vegetarian. Being in India, the highest number of vegetarians in the world by absolute number and by percentage numbers. But what is veganism? In India, vegans are like less than 0.5%, less than half a percent. What is veganism, anyways? Veganism is a rising movement around the world. It's much different from vegetarian, and it's sort of the same thing. Because vegetarians, most people are vegetarians because they would never dare eat an animal. They care for the animals. Or maybe you are a non-vegetarian and you just brought up in a family of non-vegetarians and you never asked yourself why I'm eating that. You might be actually an animal lover, and then you might just be having another animal on your plate. Yeah, it's a controversial topic, but I'm gonna say certain things which are actually a fact. It is nothing but the truth that I'm gonna say over here. So let's just jump right straight to the video where I'm actually talking about Jainism and veganism. So it's sort of that Jainism and veganism are actually one and the same thing, some people say, but some people say it is not. So yeah, I have this video on YouTube. You can just Google it. You can right now look at this video. I can just link the same video down. So I would just do a quick response where they are just saying what is veganism, what is Jainism. Of course, it's and I'll just summarize it very quickly what she's talking about over here. It's like Jainism is like way older than veganism, definitely hands on. Okay, but it's also said that veganism is born out of Jainism. Then why are they fighting? So there is no fight actually. There are a lot of Jains who are also vegans. So there is Jain vegans or vegan Jains, however you want to call it, or you can call it them as strict Jains, because in Jainism, as she is talking, Jainism and adopts veganism totally. Actually, like there is a graph which here, if you can just see this, it clearly you can see that veganism and Jainism is like almost the same, except there are some things which are allowed in Jainism, there are some things which are allowed in veganism, and at the core it's one and the same thing. You don't want to cause harm to animals. There is no violence in either of the case. Jainism has a principle of having no violence. You don't have to do violence, but there is a varying degree, and I would still advocate from the minimalistic perspective. What I would advocate is cause less harm to at least the 5 sense creatures. So in veganism, it's said that we should be stopping all animal cruelty. That is the base of veganism, animal cruelty. So which also involves quitting milk. But what is milk? Milk has no sense. It is not even in the scale. Although some say that even in veganism, onions and garlics and potatoes, all various of these species, or you can say various senses of these beings, they call it as for 1 sense or 2 sense creatures, or actually they are not part of the animal kingdom, they are part of the plant kingdom. So what veganism focuses on, eliminate all cruelty to animal kingdom. Veganism doesn't talk about any violence towards the plant kingdom. Although Jainism, of course, it's more advanced, probably even 500 years back. Hands down, there's a lot of scientific knowledge behind Jainism. Although there are some Jains who do have milk, which is going to be controversial, no doubt, because milk has no sense, but milk does cause a lot of suffering to cows. So that is what she's addressing in the same video, where it's clearly said that veganism is where we are not causing harm, and Jainism is where we are not causing harm to animals. Although we are consuming a lot of milk, in Indian society specifically. So what can be done? There's nothing. At the end of the video, she concludes that there are a lot of Jains who are realizing to the fact of veganism. Veganism is just a small subset probably to Jainism. Of course, Jainism is older, but maybe Jainism has probably in the Industrial Revolution, they have not seen how industrialized the food processes have become. Of course, having milk in itself by a real cow, having it there, having it as a part of family is a go. Yes, you should do that. It's not unless and until it's not cruel, unless and until you're not making the cow pregnant year after year after year and shortening their lifespan from 20 years to just 5 years, and then eventually slaughtering them, eating that same cow, and then selling the skin of the cow as leather and then buying the leather purse. So of course, leather purses are again banned in both veganism and Jainism. They don't have leather, as it's also said in this intersection video where the Venn diagram is clearly said what they can and cannot do. So I try to get this, or I try to recreate this, and that's what I've done. There's just one contention, which is milk. Milk should be avoided. As I said, I would also recommend you watching this. The worst thing that we are doing to the world is by eating meat and also dairy. You are contributing to a lot of harm to dairy cows, unless and until you have a cow which is an Indian cow. Of course, in India, most people don't know that which type of which breed of cow the milk is coming from. And if you just think a little, and if you just do a little research, you might actually wake up. It's actually just a wake up call. Like, you just wake up. If you have a cow at your home, kudos to you, claps to you that you're doing the right thing and consuming milk properly. But if you're having a packaged milk, then there is definitely a lot of suffering. As you can see in this video, there is a lot of suffering. You just go through how milk is made. So there is where I can conclude the video, where there are several levels. We can go into deeper Jainism videos where we can go into why garlic, onion, potatoes is wrong, because they are 1 sense or 2 sensed creatures. Although veganism is more focused towards first, and actually I would actually want you to recommend first going vegan, then going Jainism, which is more strict. Although Jainism, in Jains, a lot of Jains do avoid milk, but many Jain diets include milk, curd, dahi and ghee. So which again is not allowed in veganism. So I would first recommend you to go veganism, which is harder in India, and going Jain is including milk is easier. Yet I would suggest the first step towards both Jains and aspiring Jains and aspiring vegans is to first stop this doing harm to the 5 sense creatures. Then let's go on to the 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's how you increase your ranks, rather than just being that, oh, we are the greatest, we are Jains, we are the greatest, or we are vegans, we are the greatest. There's nothing like that. This is not a versus video. This is, the heading is a versus video just to grab your attention, that see what is the actual difference. The core message, the core is the same. No violence in both cases.